Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to make your laundry day easier and more eco-friendly? Well, it's pretty simple to do with these awesome laundry detergent sheets from Ecocacy. I absolutely love these. So many reasons why. First of all, look at how small this box is. This is 60 loads right here in these little sheets. So that saves a ton of space. You don't have any single-use plastic jugs and you are not worrying about having more plastic in the environment. These things are amazing. So really compact, you can store them in a very small space and they are so simple to use. All you do is open up your box. You have these little sheets here. You just simply pick one up and pop it into your washing machine. And that is it. There's no measuring, there's no potential spillage, nothing like that. Just a really simple way to get your clothes very, very clean. So they work awesome. Your clothes come out smelling fresh and it's not overwhelming. It just smells really good. These contain no plastic. They are hypoallergenic and they're just awesome. I also love that they are super travel friendly. So if you want to bring any detergent with you along on a trip, these are so simple. You can just pop a few in your bag and you've got it if you need it. You can use these in all types of laundry machines. You can use them even with hand washing. So many options in this tiny little package. Even the package is recyclable and biodegradable. So these are an amazing product for so many reasons. They are not only helping our environment, but also making our laundry day easier. And who doesn't want that? So I have been using these for several washes and I am super impressed and I am so happy with them. I think it's a great product that I would 100% recommend, and that's my point of view.